Uy, Kevin, luto ka naman.
Ano?
Ikaw, bahala.
Pancit canton. Nagugutom na din kami.
Buhay na kasi.
Kaya nga,
Sinisiga.
pagod na ako kakaaral.
A few inches later.
Uy, gagi, may nagluluto nga pala ako.
Lang, masusunog yun. Kalimutan niya.
Masusunog na.
Bored na ako. Walang emergency. Teka. May usok. Handa na ako. Narito na ako para tumulong. Usok lang pala.
Uy, Superman! Ginagawa mo dito? Nagluluto lang ako.
Usok lang pala.
Sunog lang.
This smoke sensor prototype serves as a fire safety measure by detecting smoke or fire in an area and sending SMS alert to prompt immediate action, even when no one is present. Additionally, it aims to detect vapor from e-cigarette, making it suitable for settings like school bathrooms where vaping is prohibited. Combining traditional fire safety with modern vaping detection, this system provides comprehensive safety monitoring in one automated device. Let's discuss the part in the model of smoke detector, namely Arduino Uno, LCD display, breadboard, sensor, and the battery. These parts make up our prototype. Arduino Uno, this is the main brain of the system. It's microcontroller board that can process inputs and control output based on the code that programmed into it. LCD display. This is used to show the real-time information from the smoke sensor. Breadboard. It is the base where you can set up and test circuits without needing the solder connection. Smoke sensor. The smoke sensor is the key component that can detect smoke in the air. When smoke are present, it sends signal to the Arduino. Battery. This supply power to the entire setup so that Arduino, LCD, and sensor can all function.